Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews and welcome back to Northern Ontario. This is my off-grid camp up here and today is a very special video. I promise to show all of you how I'm going to fire up that crane to hold the grain barrel up, the corn barrel for my deer feeder. I got everything all in the trailer. I'm all ready to go. The only thing I'm missing, I got a special guest. Yes, today I have a special guest on the show and the next time you're going to see who it is. We're going to get in the bush. He hasn't come here yet. He'll be here in about maybe an hour and a half. Till then, these guys hold tight. I'm going to get everything all ready to go here, gassed up. In the bush we go. Okay, so here we are. We're back in the bush. I got Doug with me. Pine Tree Line Outdoors. You guys are going to get a real treat here. I'm going to fire this thing right up the tree and I'm going to do my best.
This should be interesting.
Well, I don't know. It's one of these things where you design it at home, you bring it up hundreds and hundreds of miles, it's going in that tree one way or another. So let's get to it. Thanks, Doug, for joining me here today.
My pleasure to be here. Let's do it.
Okay, you ready? Let's get to her. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall off the tree. Okay, I'm thinking right about there. Now you see how this leg here holds it on the one step? I can get up there. Come on now. Okay, so what I got to do now, I got to put that ratchet strap around the tree, hook it on the other side, and tighten it up without me falling off the ladder. Okay, now easy. Go up one more step.
I did come here for a reason.
I think I gotta let some slack on that line. There we go. There's that.
No problem.
Is this sketchy or what? Okay, so we got it up in the tree and it just ratchet strapped in there snug. It's not real tight, it's just snug. So what I gotta do now is lower the ladder. There we go. Okay. Now, the whole idea of this is to swing this up, drop this leg down, and I'll keep on pushing it up. And in the next clip, I'll show you it's already up and I'll have a ratchet strap on. Okay, we're back. Guys, this is a lot harder than I thought. There's no way that you're going to be able to go up the ladder and get the angle that you want. So this is what we done. Doug, you could pan up here and just show them exactly what we done. We had to get the chainsaw out and cut a pole, notch it so we could actually pry it up there. So if we take a look down here, we'll see the outfit that I got here. So this is going to be coming up like this. Now if you take a look over here on this side, got the snatch block here, and it's going out towards the ATV. I'm going to winch that up and lift the barrel up. That's the whole idea. And on this spot right here, we're going to dry test it and see exactly where. We're going to put a hook here, so when I lift the barrel up, it will snap on right here. So we'll bring you back when we got that done. Okay guys, I got the barrel all full. It's full right to the top with whole corn. I'm going to go to the ATV. I'm going to put some tension on this line. We're going to lift this right up. Stay a hold of this. You ready? Okay guys, this wasn't a 20-minute job. This was a job and a half. We got her braced. I had to put a block up there. Yeah, I know a lot better for next time exactly how to design this a lot easier. And I would say it's at the right height now. You're not going to get a bear that can reach this tall anyways. This is 6 feet to the bottom here. So I don't think there's going to be any problem. And I'm glad I had Doug here with me. Doug, come over. Doug's behind the camera most of the day today. And if you guys haven't seen Doug's channel before, Pine Tree Line Outdoors, check him out. I'm going to put a link down below for Doug's channel. And this was a little bit of a job. I'm glad I had Doug here with me.
Hey, we had a lot of fun.
Thanks very much, buddy. Okay, you guys never seen this channel before? Well, you're welcome to subscribe. Check out Doug's channel too. Take care now.
Take care.
Bye.
Thanks.